Hey, I have a food psychology trick for you. I've discovered that food looks more appealing, well, at least to me, when I separate it. You may call me a food separatist. Not kidding. What I think the science behind this is essentially that when we separate our food into different compartments, say in our beautiful bento lunchbox, which we made ourselves, our mind starts to feel engaged by the variety that we see, as opposed to if everything was just lumped together in a single blob. Oops, I hope I didn't offend anybody here. I didn't mean a blob, but a random stir fry. Being the good doctor that I am, you can bet I've also done my research, like real research. What it says is that individuals who dine in at fine dining restaurants tend to eat less and slower than when they eat elsewhere, because the portions are also smaller.